Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve Windows Update error code 0xc00000f0, then let's look for the following options. Now the first option is to run an SFC scan. So how do we do that? Is we look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we enter the command sfc space slash scan now, SCANNOW, press enter, and this should resolve the error. The second option is to update Windows. So we right click on this, click on settings, and we click on Windows Update, check for updates. Also go to advanced options and look for any optional updates and also update those optional ones. The third option is to increase user account control. So let's look for user account control. So here you go, change user account control settings, click on it, and we increase this bar. Always notify me when apps try to install software or make changes to my computer. I will make changes to Windows settings. Click on OK, and this should resolve the error. Now, if all of these options don't work, then we do a disk cleanup. How do we do that? We look for disk cleanup, click on it, drive C, OK. Check all the boxes, press OK, delete files, and that should resolve the issue. If that doesn't resolve the issue, then we need to uninstall the conflicting softwares. If any conflicting apps are there, I mean, that's causing the problem. So we uninstall it. How do we do this? Is we right click, settings, apps, look for installed apps, and we'll arrange it by date installed. So we need to uninstall all the apps here that we downloaded on or after the date the error started showing. So for example, the error started showing on after the 23rd of August on my computer. So this was downloaded after that. So what I will do is I will click here and I will click on uninstall, and this should resolve the problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.